Good morning to all of you. I am Kshitij Sharma of Mechanical Engineering branch, roll number 17 EEME 027, and I am here to deliver a presentation on electric vehicles. Contents: Introduction, electric vehicles, components of an electric vehicle, electricity sources, vehicle type, architecture of an electric vehicle, architecture of a hybrid electric vehicle, advantages and disadvantages of electric vehicles, top 10 electric vehicles in world, electricity cars in India and references. Introduction: An electric vehicle, also called electrolysis, is a vehicle that uses one or more electric motors for propulsion. An electric vehicle may be powered through a collector system by electricity from off-vehicle sources or with self-contained battery. Electric vehicles have seen an increment in demand due to technological developments, as increased focus on renewable energy and potential reduction of transportation's impact on climate change and other environmental issues. According to Bloomberg New, electric vehicle will hit 10% of global passenger vehicle sales in 2025, rising to 28% in 2030 and 58% in 2040. Currently, the market share is 3%. As you can see, the market share of electric vehicle is predicted to increase in every year. Why electric vehicle? First is pollution. There are two general categories of vehicle emission: direct and life cycle. Direct emissions are emitted through a tailpipe through evaporation from the fuel system and during the fueling process. Direct emission include smoke forming pollutants such as nitrogen oxides. Other pollutants harmful to human health are greenhouse gases and primarily contains carbon dioxide. All electric vehicles produces zero emission, which helps to improve air quality in urban areas. Electric vehicles produces fewer emissions that contribute to climate change and smoke that conventional vehicles produces. Life cycle emissions include all emissions related to fuel and vehicle production, processing, distribution, use and recycling or disposal. For example, conventional gasoline vehicle emissions are reduced when petroleum is extracted from the ground, refined to gasoline, distributed to stations, and burned in vehicle. Like direct emissions, life cycle emissions include very harmful pollutants and carbon dioxides. As you can see in the pie chart shown, the nitrogen oxide emission in percentage and CO2 emission in percentage. The most of the emissions are from the transportation. Capital cost and maintenance. Electric vehicles have more capital cost, range between 10 lakhs to 30 lakhs, whereas conventional vehicles start from 3.3 lakhs. But the fuel cost is least expensive as it runs on electricity. We will compare 300 kilometers ride between Tata Nexon and Kia Sonet. Fuel for Tata Nexon is electricity and diesel for Kia Sonet. Mileage 10 kilometers per unit of electricity for Tata Nexon and 20 kilometers per liter for Kia Sonet. Price of fuel 6 to 7 rupees per unit as an average of electricity rupees, and Kia Sonet 70 to 80 rupees per liter as of now. For 300 kilometers of ride, we need a fuel of 210 rupees for Tata Nexon and 1125 rupees for Kia Sonet. Availability of fuel. The current rate of natural gas production and current known natural gas reserves, we have about 52.8 years worth of natural gas reserves left. We still have gas and coal left by the time oil runs out by 2052. But if we increase gas production to fill the energy gap left by oil, then those reserves will also give us a taking of 2060 years. fast depletion of fossil fuels, and dependence on Middle East countries for fuels, electric vehicle fueling is done with electricity like smartphones. Well-to-wheel efficiency. Well-to-wheel efficiency is energy and emission necessary to produce the fuel used in the car, and the operation energy and the emission associated with the vehicle technology, like tailpipe emissions, other emissions, and energy efficiency in the vehicle. The electric vehicle is found to have a better well-to-wheel efficiency than conventional vehicles. Electric vehicles uses 5% to 33% less well-to-wheel fossil fuels energy and has 15 to 45% lower well-to-wheel greenhouse gas emissions compared to a gasoline conventional vehicle. The torque of an electric vehicle is more as compared to conventional vehicles. Tata Nexon have 245 Newton meter torque and 95 kilowatt or 127 horsepower, while Kia Sonet have 115 to 250 of torque and have 61 to 88 kilowatt or 81 to 118 horsepower. Components of electric vehicles. First is battery. Most electric vehicles use lithium-ion batteries. Lithium-ion batteries have higher energy density, longer lifespan, and higher power density than most of the other practical batteries. It powers the electric motor. Then, power converter. Converter are the components needed for converting the AC power or alternating current power from the grid into something that can be used to store process like battery, and then again convert it into from DC to AC to power traction motor. Third is traction motor. A traction motor is an electric motor used for propulsion of a vehicle. These are used in electrically powered rail vehicles and other electricity vehicles, including elevators, roller coasters, conveyors, trolleybuses, as well as vehicles with electrical transmission system and battery electric vehicles. Then clutch. The engine must be decoupled from the wheels to shift from low speed to high speed with gears or vice versa. This is done by the clutch. Transmission. The gearbox is also called a transmission, which allows the transfer of power from engine to wheels. Then drivetrain. The combination of electric motor, clutch, gearbox is referred to as drivetrain. The function of drivetrain is to couple the engine that produces the power of the driving wheels that use this mechanical power to rotate the axle. Electricity sources. There are many ways to generate electricity, as of varying costs, efficiency, and ecological desirability. Connection to generator plants. Direct connection to generator plants is common among electric trains, trams, trolleybuses, and trolley trucks. Onboard generator and hybrid electric vehicles. Generated onboard using a diesel engine, diesel vehicle locomotives, and diesel electric multiple units are its example. Generated on board using fuel cell. Fuel cell vehicle is an example. Generated on board using nuclear energy. Nuclear submarines and aircraft carriers are the examples. Renewable sources such as solar power. Solar vehicles are the examples. It is also possible to have hybrid electric vehicles that derive electricity from multiple sources, such as onboard rechargeable electricity storage system and a direct continuous connection to land-based generation plants for purpose of on-highway recharging with unresisted highway range. Onboard rechargeable electricity storage system and a fueled propulsion power source. Plug-in hybrid vehicle are the example. Vehicle types. First is pure electric vehicle. A pure electric vehicle or all electric vehicle is powered exclusively through electric motors The electricity may come from a battery, solar panel, or fuel cell. Second is hybrid electric vehicle. A hybrid electric vehicle is a type of vehicle that combines a conventional internal combustion engine system with an electric propulsion system. The presence of the electric powertrain is intended to achieve either better fuel economy than a conventional vehicle or a better performance. Third is plug-in electric vehicle. A plug-in electric vehicle is another motor vehicle that can be recharged from any external source of electricity, such as wall sockets, and the electricity stored in the rechargeable battery packs drives or contributes to drive the wheel. The Tesla Model 3, listed as the world's top selling highway capable plug-in electric vehicle car in history, with global sales since inception of more than 5 lakh units. Architecture of an electric vehicle. Source charger charges the battery. Then the energy is transferred to power converter to convert it from DC to AC to run the electric motor. Electric motor gives the mechanical energy to transmission drive shaft and then to the wheels. Architecture of a hybrid electric vehicles. It consists of an engine also, so it is basically a conventional vehicle with electricity. Advantages and disadvantages of electric vehicles. First is environmental. For many motorists, simple knowing the electric vehicles are better for environment is a reason enough to make the investment. Electric vehicles don't even have an exhaust system, meaning they have zero emission. And since gas powered vehicles are large contributors to greenhouse gases built up in Earth's atmosphere, making to switch an electric car can help contribute the cleaner air and a healthier plant. Electric vehicles are charged with electricity that is generated by the means that have health and environmental impacts, as the electricity is also generated with coal power. Second is mechanical. They can be finely controlled and provide high torque from rest. The electric motor inside an electric vehicle generator torque is a way that produces the necessary force to get the car moving quicker than its conventional counterpart. While electric vehicles won't be tearing up the track like a Lamborghini or Ferrari, instant torque gives them great acceleration from the dead stop. They do not need multiple gears to match power curves. This removes the need of gearbox and torque converters. Third is energy efficiency. EVs convert over 77% of the electric energy from the grid to power at the wheels. Conventional gasoline converts about 12 to 13% of the energy stored in gasoline to power at the wheels. That means electric vehicles tank to wheel efficiency is about a factor of 3 times higher than the internal combustion engine vehicles. Energy is not consumed while the electric vehicle is stationary. Unlike internal combustion engines, which consumes fuel while idling, thereby making it energy efficient. Range. The electric vehicle has a short driving range. Electric cars are limited by range and speed. Most of these cars have a range of about 300 kilometers and need to be recharged again. You just can't use them for a long journey as of now, although it is expected to improve in the future. Top 10 electric vehicles in the world. As of sales till 2019, Tesla Model 3 have a sales of 3 lakh units at the topmost. Electric cars in India. First is Mercedes-Benz EQC, ex showroom price 1.04 crore, max torque 760 Newton meter. Range between 455 to 471 kilometer. Battery capacity 80 kilowatt. Battery charge time 21 hours at 220 volt and 1.5 hours at 440 volt. Tata Nexon. Ex showroom price 14 lakhs to 16.2 lakhs. Max torque 245 Newton meter. Range between 312 kilometers on battery. Battery 3.2 kilowatt hour at 320 volt lithium polymer. Battery charge time 8.5 hours at 220 volt and fast charger of 1 hour. Third is MG ZS EV. Ex showroom price 20.88 to 23.58 lakhs. Horsepower 105 kilowatt. Range between 340 kilometers. Battery 44.5 kilowatt hour, 394 volt lithium ion. Battery charging time 6 to 8 hours. Tata Tigor. Ex showroom price 10.6 lakhs to 12.1 lakh. Max torque 105. Range 213 kilometers on battery only. Battery 21.5 kilowatt hour lithium ion. Battery charge time 11.5 hour at 220 volt. Hyundai Kona. Ex showroom price 23.75 to 24 lakhs. Max torque 395 Newton meter. Range 452 kilometers battery only. Battery 39.2 kilowatt hour, 327 volt lithium polymer battery. Battery charge time approx 6 hours and 10 minutes. Mahindra E Verito. Ex showroom price 9.13 lakhs to 11.6 lakhs. Max torque 91 Newton meter. Range between 181 km on battery only. Battery 21.2 kilowatt hour, 72 volt lithium ion. And the charging time is 11 hours 30 minutes at 100% and fast charging of 1 hour 30 minutes to 80%. References. Specifications of Tata Nexon. Well-to-wheel efficiency. Specifications of Kia Sonet. Electric vehicles. Power converter. Traction motors. Battery. Hybrid vehicles. Plug-in electric vehicles. Pollution by conventional and electric vehicles. Capital cost and maintenance cost. Availability of fuels and disadvantages and advantages of electric vehicles. Thank you.